Today we will discuss blend modes. Blend modes describe how two objects blend with each other. In this example, I added a colorful background and added a rectangle on top. In order to access CreateStudio's blend mode, click on the object and choose Mode in the track menu on the left. You will see a menu pop up with multiple styles of blend modes. You can hover over each to see its effect. Some are very similar. For example, Screen, Lighten, Hard Light, Multiply, and Darken all deal with how light or dark the blend mode is. You can also see how changing the color and saturation has an effect on blend modes. Modes like color and saturation can create blends in gray tones to full color. Color burn, for example, deals with darkness and contrast, while difference can create an inverted effect. One interesting note is that if you take an image or video with a black background, you can use the screen mode to remove the black and keep the rest as an overlay, as is shown with this snowing video. Some of these are complex blends and require experimentation, but you can use them to achieve some interesting effects.